Hi, and welcome back to Hook, Eat, Up. It's an early spring, wet and cold morning, and I'm in the mood for some soup. So for today, we're going to be making a creamy shrimp and crab chowder. From scratch, I'm going to show you how to make it. Now the ingredients for this dish are hearty, colorful, and packed full of color. And they're going to make for a really nice chowder. What you're going to need is 6 shrimp split in half, peeled and deveined, 1 red potato, half a cup of heavy cream, half a cup of crab meat. Now you can use jumbo lump or you can make your own crab meat. I usually get my own crab meat by cooking up my own crabs. You'll also need 1 medium-sized carrot peeled and cut into about 1-inch chunks, half a cup of corn, half a cup of frozen peas, 1/3 of a cup of diced onions. Now I have a mixture here of flour and water. So it's 1 tablespoon of flour dissolved into about 1/3 of a cup of water. That's going to be used as a thickening agent. I also have 2 tablespoons of the peas and 4 cups of stock. Now, I've made the stock myself. This is the residuals from cooking down some crab. There's plenty of meat and flavor in this crab stock. If you don't have this, you can use vegetable stock, chicken stock, or fish stock bought from the store. But if you can make your own, go ahead and make that. Now to get started with this recipe, I'm going to grab a decent sized saucepan. Set that on the heat. So medium heat, I'm adding the onions and the peas to a little bit of olive oil to saute them down and caramelize them. So once that's caramelized, I'll be adding the mixture of the flour and water to help it thicken up. And I'm going to be adding 4 cups of the stock directly to the pot. Now with the stock at temperature, it's time to get started on the hard vegetables. I'm going to take my red potato, I'm going to cut that into large cubes. And now this is where all the timing comes in. So I'm going to take the harder vegetables, the carrots and the potatoes, and I put that in. So we're 15 minutes in from finishing this recipe. So after 10 minutes, I'm going to be adding the peas and the carrots, as well as the shrimp and crab to the mix. Those are going to cook for 5 minutes. It's a good time to give that soup a taste so that you can adjust the salt and pepper accordingly. Now at this point, we're going to be adding the peas and carrots. The shrimp and crab meat. Now the only ingredient that remains is the heavy cream, which we're going to be using as a finishing agent to thicken the chowder and give it that overall creaminess. Now some people will like their chowder really thick. If you like it really thick, you're going to want to add more starches to your stock. Either you're going to do it as a roux, cornstarch, or even through your corn and your potatoes. Now with 2 minutes remaining, we're going to be adding the heavy cream to the chowder. Now to serve, we're going to just ladle this out right into a nice wide bowl. Getting crab meat, shrimp, and that creamy stock right in. This is going to make a bit of a mess, so you're going to want to clean the bowl up. And there you have it, your creamy shrimp and crab chowder. Now I decided to pair this up with a crisp glass of Chardonnay because it's a drier wine. It's going to help break up the creaminess and the richness of this dish, and it also pairs nicely with seafood dishes. Now if you've enjoyed this recipe, please hit that like button, subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and leave your comments in the comment section below. Thank you for joining me at Hook, Eat, Up. Stay warm.